In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Close CRM, particularly focusing on marking a lead as Do Not Contact, a crucial step in managing your relationships effectively within the platform. To get started, you're going to want to open your web browser and go directly to the Close CRM website. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface that's designed to help you manage your leads efficiently. If you haven't already, take a moment to log in using your credentials. Next, in the upper navigation bar, you'll see various options. Go ahead and click on Leads. This section is essentially the heart of your CRM. Here you can view, manage, and organize all your customer information, everything that helps you keep track of your business relationships. At this point, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. Once you're in the Leads section, your next step is to locate the specific lead that you want to update. You'll typically find this through the search bar or by scrolling through your list. Once you've identified the lead, click on it to bring up detailed information about that particular contact. This action will open up a new view where you can see all the interactions, notes, and critical data pertaining to the lead. As you look at the lead's information, pay attention to the section just below the name. Here you'll usually find a variety of options that allow you to customize how you manage this lead. To proceed, you need to click just below the lead's name. This area typically houses additional settings and options that might not be immediately visible at first glance. After clicking in the designated area below the name, you're going to look for the option labeled DNC, which stands for Do Not Contact. Clicking on DNC is important if you decide this lead should no longer be contacted, ensuring compliance and respecting their communication preferences. This is particularly useful for unsubscribes or cases where they've requested not to receive further communication. Remember that marking a lead as Do Not Contact is a significant step in maintaining an ethical approach to communication. Ensuring their status is updated will prevent any further outreach via emails or calls, aligning with best practices in customer relationship management. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you have now learned how to effectively use Close CRM to manage your leads better. By utilizing the Do Not Contact function, you are not only keeping your CRM organized but also respecting your leads' communication preferences. Practice these steps a few times to get comfortable, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful.